fat. To make this amazing vegan-friendly Alfredo sauce, we're going to get a pan, and I have one russet potato. This is a russet potato. And you could also use the white potato. I like the white potatoes more, the white rose potatoes, because they're more velvety and creamy. But I've got these ones and I'm going to be using them, and we're not discriminating anything here. The next thing that I want to add is some frozen cauliflower and some sweet white corn, about a fourth of a cup. You can add more if you want. That's all I have. Next thing is some garlic. And all I want to do is just remove the peel and add it to the thing. We're going to add some water, about 3 cups, just enough to submerge the ingredients. Bring it to a boil. Have these ingredients become tender, and I'll meet you back with the next step. The next thing that we want to do is add our ingredients to a blender. We're going to add a piece of nutmeg. Hopefully I can break it. You can also grate it, but since I'm gonna blend it, it's not necessary. So just add a little piece. This is gonna give it that authentic flavor. So that's what basically an Alfredo sauce really is. An Alfredo sauce is like a milky, cheesy nutmeg sauce. That's all. That's all it has is nutmeg. That's what makes it an Alfredo sauce, in my opinion. And it just has to look kind of creamy. So I'm going to add some white pepper. White pepper also. So nutmeg and white pepper are the secret ingredients for the Alfredo sauce. But I know not a lot of Alfredo sauces have it, and they still taste kind of the same because it's like a milky, savory sauce. I'm going to add some non-dairy milk, which you don't have to. This is completely unnecessary. You can add water if you want, but I just have soy milk left over. I have like a little bit left over, and I want to use it up. All right, now we blend it till smooth, and we transfer it to a saucepan. I don't know if I'm going to add some cornstarch or tapioca starch. I might, but I might not. We'll see. And there we have it, our amazing cauliflower sauce. It doesn't get any better than this. It's very high in fiber. It's healthy. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable, so it's pretty healthy. So we got some penne pasta. I'm going to be using just regular penne pasta. I'm going to add my sauce into the pan. I'm going to use the spatula to remove all the stuff from the blender. Try to get as much of it out as possible. We're going to add some of this penne pasta. Not all of it, because then it's going to be too much. But I love to have some pasta every now and then as an emergency food, like when I'm running low on food and it's time to go to the grocery store. I love to have at least some pasta. Legumes for emergency foods. Canned tomatoes are also really good. Those are emergency foods that you can easily have in your kitchen, and they come in handy. They save your life when you need it. Oh yes. Do you hear that? Now, the next thing that you want to do is store this puppy or serve it. And that's pretty much it. You can add some almond crumble or some breadcrumbs, whatever you think is best for you at that time. Man down. And there you have it. And this is amazing with some broccoli, green beans, any type of vegetable that you have on hand. Now, if you don't have any vegetable on hand, then just eat this and that's all right. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is delicious. It tastes so creamy and rich. Super good. It has no fat in it. This is good.